Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It is Wednesday the 13th of September. I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we're going to be looking at the charts of the euro against the pound. So the code EURGBP. What we'll see is that we expect a short-term bounce on the euro. It's come back to the support of the 50-day moving average, which is rising, and also we've had a non-confirmation on the RSI on the 4-hour, so we expect a short-term uptick on the euro, but in the medium term the picture looks more negative. So here we have the daily, and you can see that we're back to the rising 50-day moving average, which is this blue line, and that is giving support. At the moment, we're marginally below it, 903.33 against 903.36 on the 50-day, but it's still a positive factor as it is tracking upwards. Obviously it would be better if we close above it today. Let's wait and see. Obviously it's not even midday yet, but it is a positive factor, and I've still put it in the supports, although when I did my support slide, which I'll show you in a few minutes, the actual spot was above the moving average. The other factors to what to look for on this daily is that we've lost the upside momentum, so we're at 41.35 on the RSI, so negative momentum there. MACD as well are rolling down. Having looked at the 4-hour, you'll see I do expect a short-term bounce. If or when we do close for a couple of days below the 50-day, then the picture does become slightly more negative, and we would then be testing the supports at 89.40, the initial support, and below there at 88. On the weekly picture, you can see here we had a positive move as the 20 crossed the 50-week moving average, took us above the 92 level. At that level, however, we were overextended away from the moving averages, so there's been no surprise at all in the consolidation. In fact, looking at this with the 20-week still only at 88.74, the consolidation could continue. RSI has cracked down, but it's not yet in negative momentum territory, 58.39, but is creating a downtrend. Likewise, the MACD are rolling over. On the 4-hour, so here each bar represents 4 hours of trade. You can see that all the supports didn't hold. So initially we fell through the 24-hour, not the 20-day, just the 20 on this chart. That was on the 30th of August. We then fell below the 50 on the 31st of August, and just on the 11th we fell through the 20-day. None of those, apart from the 50, gave any support at all. The RSI did show negative momentum and did reach a low. However, on the low that we had, which was early this morning, the low on the RSI wasn't as low, so it was a non-confirm. Now that might enable a short-term rally, maybe up towards the 91 level, so be aware of that, but it will be a short-term rally because, as I've already said, looking at the daily and the weekly, further consolidation should be expected, but there'd be no surprise, having seen that non-confirmation, if there was a short-term rally. Looking at the support and resistances, and we've got resistance at the 20-day, 91.63, and then from the 28th of August at 9310. Supports, as I said, 50-day, just giving support at the moment. Keep your eye on that as well, where we close tonight, 9036. and then the 4 hour yesterday where we had that double bottom 89.84, the double bottom on the RSI, or the non-confirmation, so keep an eye on that one as well. Many thanks for watching the video. The key takeaways on the EURGBP should be that a short-term bounce should be expected. We're at the support of the 50-day. We've had a non-confirmation on the RSI on the 4 hour charts, but that the medium-term trend is now down. Thanks for watching this video. If you're not a subscriber, please do click that subscribe button. You then get email updates when I do new videos. I don't just do foreign currency, I also look at the commodity markets, equity indices and single stocks both in the UK and the US. Please remember these videos are for information only and in my opinion, and they're not an investment recommendation.